We were talking about one of the most powerful and transformative forces of our generation, artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI. From voice assistants in our phones to self-driving cars, from medical breakthroughs to content recommendations on YouTube, AI is no longer science fiction. It's part of our daily lives. Companies like OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, and Tesla are pushing AI into almost every industry. Tools like ChatGPT are changing how we learn, work, and create content. But the big question is, what is AI really giving our generation? And what are the benefits and disadvantages we should be aware of? Let's break it down. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to machines or software that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning from data, recognizing patterns, understanding language, making decisions, solving problems in simple words. AI allows machines to think, learn, and improve over time. Our generation is the first to grow up with AI integrated into daily life. Previous generations had electricity, television, and the internet. We have intelligent systems that learn and adapt, and that's a huge shift. What AI is giving our generation: one, smarter daily life. AI makes everyday life easier and more convenient. Think about voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, navigation apps like Google Maps, personalized recommendations on Netflix and YouTube. AI learns your habits and preferences. It suggests movies you'll like, routes that avoid traffic, and even music that matches your mood. Our generation enjoys a level of personalization never seen before. To better healthcare, one of the most powerful benefits of AI is in healthcare. AI systems can detect diseases early, analyze medical images, assist in surgeries, predict health risks. For example, AI can detect certain cancers earlier than human doctors in some cases. It can analyze thousands of medical records in seconds, something impossible for humans. This means faster diagnoses, more accurate treatments, lower medical errors. Our generation may live longer and healthier lives because of AI-powered medicine. 3. Education revolution. AI is transforming education. Students today can get instant answers, learn at their own pace, access global knowledge. Use AI tutors platforms powered by AI, personalized lessons based on your strengths and weaknesses. If you struggle with math, the system gives you extra practice. If you're good at science, it challenges you more. Unlike traditional classrooms, AI learning never gets tired. It's available 24/7. This gives our generation unlimited learning opportunities. For new job opportunities, while AI replaces some jobs, it also creates new ones. Careers in AI development, data science, robotics, machine learning, cybersecurity are growing rapidly. Companies like Amazon and Meta rely heavily on AI systems. Our generation has the opportunity to work in industries that didn't even exist 20 years ago. 5. Increased productivity. AI helps businesses automate repetitive tasks. For example, chatbots handle customer service, AI writes reports, algorithms manage supply chains, software analyzes financial data. This allows humans to focus on creativity, strategy, and innovation instead of repetitive work. Productivity increases, costs decrease, efficiency improves. 6. Creative power. AI is not just about numbers and data, it's also creative. AI can generate art, compose music, write stories, edit videos. Platforms like Adobe now use AI tools for image editing and design. Our generation can create high-quality content faster than ever before. You don't need a huge studio or budget. AI helps level the playing field. The disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Now let's talk about the serious concerns. AI is powerful, and with power comes responsibility. One, job loss and automation. One of the biggest fears is job displacement. AI can replace jobs in manufacturing, transportation, customer service, retail, even some white-collar jobs. Self-driving technology developed by companies like Tesla could reduce the need for drivers. Automated systems reduce the need for cashiers and factory workers. While new jobs are created, not everyone can easily transition to high-tech careers. This may increase unemployment and economic inequality. To privacy concerns. AI depends on data, lots of data. Companies collect information about what you search, what you watch, where you go, what you do. AI analyzes this data to predict your behavior. But this raises serious privacy issues. Are we giving up too much personal information? Our generation lives in a world where privacy is becoming rare. 3. Bias and discrimination. AI systems learn from data. If the data contains bias, the AI will reflect that bias. For example, hiring algorithms may favor certain groups, facial recognition systems may misidentify people, loan approval systems may discriminate. AI is not automatically fair or neutral. It reflects human data, and human data can contain unfair patterns. This is a major ethical challenge. For dependence on technology, our generation relies heavily on AI. We use it to navigate, write, research, communicate, make decisions, but what happens if we become too dependent? Will we lose critical thinking skills? Will creativity decline if machines do most of the work? Over-reliance could weaken human abilities. 5. Misinformation and deepfake. AI can generate realistic images, videos, and voices. This leads to fake news, deepfake videos, voice cloning scams. It becomes harder to tell what is real and what is fake. This can affect politics, social trust, and public safety. AI can spread misinformation faster than ever before. 6. Security risks. AI can be used for cyber attacks. Hackers can use AI to crack passwords, launch automated attacks, create smarter malware. At the same time, governments are developing AI-powered weapons. This creates global security concerns. AI can be used for both good and harm. How AI is shaping our identity. Our generation is often called the digital generation, but we might actually be the AI generation. We are working with AI, learning from AI, creating with AI, competing with AI. Unlike previous technologies, AI doesn't just assist us, it makes decisions. That changes how society functions. It changes education systems. It changes businesses. It changes relationships. It even changes creativity. AI is not just a tool, it's becoming a partner in many areas of life. Is AI good or bad? The truth is, AI is neither completely good nor completely bad. It depends on how we design it, how we regulate it, how we use it. AI can improve healthcare, increase knowledge access, boost economic growth, enhance creativity. Yet it can also replace jobs, threaten privacy, spread misinformation, increase inequality. Technology itself is neutral. Human decisions determine its impact. What our generation must do. Our generation has a big responsibility. We must 1. Learn about AI and not fear it. 2. Develop ethical guidelines. 3. Demand transparency from companies. 4. Protect privacy rights. 5. Prepare for new careers. 6. Focus on skills machines can't easily replace, like empathy, creativity, leadership, and critical thinking. Governments and organizations must create policies that balance innovation with protection. Companies like IBM are already researching responsible AI frameworks. The future depends on how responsibly we manage this technology. The future of AI in our generation. In the next 10 to 20 years, we may see fully autonomous vehicles, AI doctors assisting globally smart cities, AI-powered climate solutions, human-AI collaboration in almost every job. Question is not whether AI will grow. It will. The real question is, will we guide it wisely? Our generation is standing at a turning point in history, similar to the Industrial Revolution, but faster and more global. AI could become one of humanity's greatest achievements, or one of its biggest challenges. Final thoughts. Artificial intelligence is already shaping our world. It gives us convenience, efficiency, knowledge, creativity, medical breakthroughs, new career paths, but it also brings job disruption, privacy risks, ethical challenges, security threats. AI is a powerful tool, and like any powerful tool, it can build or destroy, depending on the hands that control it. Our generation is not just witnessing the AI revolution. We are living it, we are building it, and we are responsible for guiding it. So instead of asking, will AI replace us? Maybe the better question is, how can we work with AI to build a better future? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe for more deep discussions about technology and the future. Thanks for watching this Tech in Minute, and I'll see you in the next video.